Give your Ram the perfect blend of performance, protection, and style from rough country. Unmatched ground clearance to conquer on- and off-road obstacles, maintain smooth, OEM-like ride. Levels the front with the rear. Easy at-home installation, supported by RC. Backed by Rough Country's limited lifetime replacement warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to install. Wasn't too difficult to install. However, it does make my passenger side spring sit a little out of alignment. Took the truck to get everything aligned, and even after that, it sits a little off. Overall, great product. Make sure you check what height you are needing before purchasing. Some are 1.5, some are 2, some are 2.5.